In this video, what we're going to do is learn to add images in our web page. If you haven't seen the video that I did before about adding HTML, starting HTML, HTML for beginners, go watch that video, the HTML for beginners, adding links. And then I have another one before that called Intro to HTML5 in 15 minutes. So go watch that if you didn't get the intro to learning how to build a web page from scratch. But we're going to start here with our web page already built. We have one page, and as you can see here on the left hand side I have the code, and on the right hand side I have the page, how the page looks itself. So I want to go ahead and add an image. So in order to add an image, you need what's called an image tag. But before I do that, I want to talk about two kinds of images. There's the kind of image that goes into your document folder. So here's my document folder here. Here's my web page. This is my log file. So this is my document folder here. And this over here is this file right here, my index file. So I want to talk about adding images locally. So if I wanted to add an image to my page and I wanted to reference that image, I'm just going to have to add it into this file. So I'm going to go pull an image from online. So let me search for an image here. I'm going to search images. All right, so I have some foods here. So let's say I was doing some sort of food website, and then I'm just going to drag that image over here. Now I have that image inside of my folder. So just to be clear, I'm going to rename this image foods, and I did a slow clicking on that, or I can right click, go down here to rename that image. So my image is called foods.jpg, JPG, and you have to know that in part also because that's part of the name of the image. Now, adding an image is fairly simple. You just got to figure out where you want that image to be. Right now, I'm going to put the image in between this heading, and this paragraph. So what I need to do is go here, and in between those two, I'm going to go ahead and add myself an image tag. And it's really an IMG tag, and it requires a source. This is the bare minimum that you need to be able to add an image. Now all I need to do is give it the name of the file that I have. And as we see here, the file is called foods.jpg. So I'm going to put foods.jpg. There we go. And just for the sake of readability, I'm going to format this. So when I refresh this, I'm expecting to see the image pop up in there. And there it is. I have my images here, I have my heading here, and I have my paragraph here. A cool thing about this is that I can put multiple images down here. I can put them left, right. You know, you can organize these things whichever way you like. But that's how we add images to our website.